Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're looking at maybe taking on a new project. Before our house cabin was built back in 2009, my in-laws and my wife camped on the property, and so just had a pop-up camper. And since the cabin was built, they rolled it back into the edge of the tree line, and it's just been sitting there. And we wanted to take a look at it and see if anything was salvageable, and yeah, we're pretty excited. It's a new project that we're excited to take on coming out of the summer here. We're starting into September tomorrow, and looking forward to a new project. So we're about to roll this thing out and see what it looks like.
So when did you buy this?
We must have bought this. We bought this 20. Maybe 20. 2012.
Was it new then?
Called it. No, it was used from our neighbors. We bought it from them for $3,000, I think. And it was used, and we took it on the road for a while, and then we just parked it down here, before we had the house built. And we'd open it up when we'd come to stay, and that was that.
Just a few mouse.
Yeah, a few mousy fucks.
Is that what's that over there?
What's that?
Like, what's that hole for? Like, is that the toilet or?
No, this had cushions.
Oh, this is the kitchen table.
This was a kitchen table with, you could seat 4 here.
Is that a thermostat? They have air?
Yeah, you can. It has a heater.
And this
is the heater.
sits on there.
This is the heater, and it's all propane run. The stove is propane stove. I mean, I could fix this up. A lot of this stuff, all I really would have, I just have to clean the shit out of it, and I would have to I'd probably replace most of the wood, and I'd wait for suggestions from Noah, and I would replace, of course, the linoleum, and I'd probably have to strip all this stuff out of here and see what I want to do with the subfloor, and go from there. Yeah, that's just busted. That I could see. I could almost make something out of wood to use as a door there. It wouldn't have to be that thing.
Well, it's gonna be a fun project.
Well, maybe if I decide to take it on. I mean, there's a fair amount of rat shit in here for one thing, but with it out in the open like this, I could fucking just hose some of the, I don't know.
So it needs a lot of work. After my father-in-law looked it over, my wife and my mother-in-law came down to take a look and see what this project was going to entail. And we just did some rough costs. I mean, I think just the canopy part is going to be like $3,000. And I mean, we're going to have to rip out everything. Take it down to, take it down to the trailer. And it's just not worth the cost to us, to them, the time. It's just going to be a lot. And so this project is a bust, but our sights are on to our next project. We're looking at putting concrete pad out here that I can work on the frontier, and then as we move over closer to the house, we're going to get stamped concrete, stained and stamped. And so I'm looking forward to doing that. Either we're going to do it or we're going to hire it out. But it is a no on the pop-up camper. Thanks for watching. Again, trying to figure out the direction of this channel. Started off a lot of frontier videos, and now just haven't been able to get out into the woods as much as we'd hoped. And so maybe need to rename this channel. So maybe in the comments, give some ideas. Don't be too harsh. And maybe we'll change the name of the channel soon. Again, thanks for watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, and leave those comments. Till next time.